In this video, I'll be reviewing the OneKey Classic 1S. It is a hardware crypto wallet. Okay, so this is the pack right here, and first off, we're going to be unboxing this. All right, so let's check out what is inside the box. So we have to remove this seal right here first. So we got this classic card here, we got another card, and here is the beginner's guide right here. Then we have the recovery sheet here where you get to write down your secret phrase. Okay, so you're given about 4 recovery sheets there. Then this is the device itself, the 1S Classic, and this is the crypto hardware wallet. You can see how small it is. It is very sleek, very portable. It's almost the size of your ATM, and we're going to be talking about how to set it up and what it is basically used for in this video. Okay, it also comes with a Type-C to Type-C cable right here that you can use to actually charge and connect to other devices. Okay, so now let's look into why people get a hardware crypto wallet like this. Okay, now the first thing is that a hardware crypto wallet is a very secured crypto wallet. In fact, they are the most secured crypto wallet, and the 1S Classic is actually one of the most secured products out there that you can store your cryptocurrency. Okay, and you can store over 1,000 cryptos on this, ranging from your BTC, your Ethereum, and many tokens on other blockchains. All right, now you can also set this up with your phone, but before that, let's look at how to set up this device once you actually purchase it. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to power it and then select your preferred language, and afterwards you need to create a new wallet. Then you'll be asked to save the secret phrase of that wallet. You select the number of words you want. So this is mine right here, so I had to write all the secret phrase down. All right, do not screenshot it or do not save it digitally. Make sure you write it down, and that's why we have the recovery sheet right there. All right, then after writing it down, you just need to set a 9-digit pin, and once you set your 9-digit pin, you successfully created a wallet on this device. Okay, so to set up the OneKey device on our phone, we have to first of all download the app from the Google Play Store. Okay, then the next thing after that is to connect to hardware wallet. So we'll click on the button and we'll select the OneKey Classic, which is the one I have right here. So I need to actually connect this using Bluetooth. Okay, and here we go, it has successfully connected to the device. Okay, so I'm going to click on this right here, and afterwards we have to input our pin. Okay, and this is it right here. I've successfully connected the device to my phone. So right here I can actually fund the account using my phone by clicking on the receive button, and I can also buy cryptocurrencies using my Visa card, my MasterCard, my PayPal, my Apple Pay, and the likes. Okay, there are a lot of payment methods here that you can use to actually purchase any cryptocurrency right here on your OneKey app. Okay, and it also have a P2P option right here where you can buy tokens using the bank transfer option right here at very good rate, guys. So this is how you can connect it to your phone, and as far as it is connected using Bluetooth, you will always be able to access your wallet. Okay, so that's basically how you can set it up, how you can create your wallet and use the OneKey Classic hardware crypto wallet. Okay, if this is something you need and you're looking to purchase one of these, I'll be dropping the link in the comment section down below and also in the description section below. Okay, there are lots of other products you can check out on the OneKey platform, but the particular Classic 1S, you can actually get it for around $99 and it comes with free shipping. Okay, all you need to do is to click on this add to bag right here. Then you're going to select the quantity of the OneKey Classic you need, and after that you're going to click on this button here and make payment, and it's going to arrive to your doorstep within 7 working days. Okay, so that'll be all for now, guys. I hope you find this very helpful, and also let me know what you think about the OneKey Classic 1S in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next update. Have a nice day. Bye.